In this video, I will show you how to add emotion to a voiceover within ElevenLabs. So first of all, I want to say if you want to get started with ElevenLabs with the best discounts available, make sure to check out the link in the description down below. But let's get started. So first of all, I want to say not every voice has a lot of emotion. For example, this Adam voice.
Our distrust is very expensive.
Yeah, doesn't have as much as emotions as another voice. And what you need to do is you need to go to the voices tab. So go to the sidebar and then tap on the voices and then go to library. And here you can see a lot of voices. What you can do is you can filter on language as well as accent, and you can filter on category, for example, social media. And here you can just preview every voice. So for example, let's select maybe a female or male. You just need to tap on those filters right there. Then select gender, then select male, for example. All right, and then we can just preview a voice that we might want to use.
So you need a voice that actually sounds human for your project.
So this voice is very, has a lot of emotions in my opinion. So it's very important to note that this voice is quite costly. As you can see, it's 3x multiplier, which uses 3 times as many characters as, for example, this voice. So keep that in mind. But this voice has quite some emotions. So I also recommend you to select the filter professional voice clone. This way you will get better voices than just the normal free ones, in my opinion. And what you also need to do is you need to go to text-to-speech, and then instead of going to simple, go to advanced. Here you can change the model. So some models work better than other models for a specific voice, as well as the stability, as well as the similarity. So you just need to play around with this. Just play around with these settings and just see what you like the most. And in the end, it's just trial and error, testing and testing and testing every time until you get the perfect voice for your project. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.